Here we have three functions and they're asking us for three different values. So what is f of negative 2, what is g of 2, and what is h of 12? So remember, functions have inputs and outputs. So all I can really do is say, okay, if I'm trying to say what is f of something, that something is replacing x, and a good way to do that is use parentheses to make sure you get all the order of operations stuff right. So we can put negative 2 where x used to be, and then we'll just simplify. So this is multiplication, so definitely comes before this subtraction in between here. And so this says square root of negative 4 plus 8, negative 4 times negative 2. And then negative 4 plus 8 is 4, so square root of 4, which is 2. So we're saying f of negative 2 is equal to 2. This is the output when you input this. All right, then they want us to do g of 2. So the function name g, take and make the input 2. So where these x's were, I'm going to make blank space so I can input something. And then if I look at my function notation, it's saying input 2 where x used to be. So this says 2 to the third plus 2, so that's 8 plus 2. And 2 to the third is 8. And divide those both by 2, that reduces to 5/4. And then last one, h of 12. And notice this whole thing is in absolute values, but still the same idea. All I can do is x is a placeholder for anything I want to plug in. So I'll leave myself some space with some parentheses, and I'm going to plug in 12, or input it where x used to be. 12 times 3/4, remember this is over 1. So 12 over 4 reduces to 3 over 1. So this has absolute value of negative 16 minus negative 3 times 3, so 9. And then absolute value of negative 16 minus 9 is negative 25. Remember, you have to get down to just a single number before you can take the absolute value, because absolute value is asking how far is this number from 0. I can't ask how far this subtraction problem is from 0. So how far is negative 25 from 0? Well, it's 25 units away.